you want to eat dinner? What I want to cook for you?
No, I will not eat my house. I will eat my friend house.
Parang anay. Hala, ubusin mo. Ubusin yung mga bahay.
All my children also, all eating friend house. And you eat yourself here, okay? If you hungry, you fly the chicken, all the chicken in the fridge.
Ano daw? Pali-parin ko lahat ng mga manok. Ano bang nangyari dito?
Bodoy, Bodoy, I forgot my husband eating the house here.
Your husband eating the house here?
Yes, just break him 2 eggs. You break sir 2 eggs, and you rumble it, and then you fly.
Ano? Diyos ko, eh. Nakakatakot. Ano? Basagin ko yung itlog na... Ay, Diyos ko. Huwag naman po.
Bodoy, Bodoy, you hearing me?
Hearing ka dyan. Anong hearing? Anong kaso ko?
Bodoy, quick, 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 faster.
Let's go.
Listen.
Yeah?
First, I will throw you in the office. After I throw you in the office, I will throw you mother house.
No, madam, I think I don't want to bring you.
Why you change your brain?
I have very headache here. Here.
Bodoy, can you give me rabiri? Rabiri.
Oh, ano na naman itong pinagsasabi niya? Nirambol talaga niya mga English dito.
What rabiri, madam?
You still don't know rabiri?
Rubber band?
The small one, yellow one.
Oh,
You know?
rabiri. Madam, this one?
Yes, yes.
Oh, rubber band. Ano bang pinagsasabi nila dito, eh?
Hey, Bodoy, are you angry?
No, madam. Why?
No, I only questioning. Bodoy, still you are not angry?
No, madam. Why you always asking I'm angry? I'm not angry.
But you know it long time ago.
Hungry? Oh, long time. I'm really hungry.
Bodoy, sorry disturbing you. Okay? I'm very hungry. Can you give me apple?
Abol? What abol?
You don't know apple in the fridge?
Wala mang abol sa fridge. Ano ba yung abol?
In the fridge, there is one abol? Wala.
You're not listening. Apple. Hurry up. What are you doing?
Abol? Ano na naman tong abol? Anong lingwahe ba yung abol na yan? Diyos ko, eh. Ang hirap niyang intindihin. Wala talaga akong mabasang abol dito. Diyos ko, Lord.
Bodoy, the problem for you, you don't know English. Apple also, you don't understanding.
What abol?
The green apple.
Green abol?
Green apple. Pero may nakita ako ditong green apple. Huwag mong sabihin apple to. Na, Diyos ko. Ang gulo-gulo talagang kausap. Ha?
Madam, this one, green apple?
Yes. Very good. You should listening for me. You should hearing me good. When I'm talking with you, you're looking my eyes. Understand? You're looking so that you can understanding and you hearing good. You don't know English.
Ay, Diyos ko, ikaw pang galit? Na? Ikaw pang galit talaga?
Bodoy,
Yes, madam.
please take this dress, okay? You very careful, very careful. There is money more in the dress. You slowly hit my dress, okay?
What I want to do with this, madam?
You hit my dress.
Ano daw? Paano ko initin tong dress? Diyos ko.
Put outside under the sun?
No. What are you talking about? Bodoy, when you go back Philippines, you schooling again, okay? You don't understanding.
But I hit. Ironing? Iron?
Yes, like that.
Paano naging hit yan? Oh, hit nga. Ako yung mali. Oh, sige na lang.
Ako na lang lagi yung mali dito. Thank you for